Oh man, I didn't see you there.
What's going on, guys? It's been a long time since I filmed the vlog. A lot's happened. I graduated, and we're here in Seattle. Here's this character from 2 years ago in the vlog. Here's Daniel.
Oh man, I didn't see you there.
Here's Twan. Last time we saw these guys, we were in Whistler, guys. The kids are upstairs. I'm gonna try to keep this intro short, but yeah, I'm in Seattle. Here we go.
Always say you're in your room, that you start. Always claim I'm way too down on my luck. We both need somebody who don't give a fuck. Could you wait for me? Could you wait for me? All I know is I'm alone in these fumes, and I say I'll write this down on my tomb. The smoke filled up the air, that's before it all loomed. Would you pray for me? Would you pray for me? I just need somebody who calls me up in the morning. Need someone who won't say I'm crazy when weather's storming. The way I feel inside makes me terrified. You don't have to hide. You know I'm alive with you. You know I'm alive with you. You know I'm alive. I just need some wave to coast and enjoy. It's those crowded out rooms where I get annoyed. I miss those days it snowed back in Detroit. Could you wait for me? Could you wait for me? I'm alone in California, but I get through. Don't know where exactly you're resting or where is your view, but I bet you need somebody the way that I do. Hope you stay with me, hope you stay with me. I just need somebody who calls me up in the morning. Need someone who won't say I'm crazy when weather's storming. The way I feel inside makes me terrified. You don't have to hide. You know I'm alive with you. You know I'm alive with you. You know I'm alive.
Hey, what's going on, guys? We're out here at the vlog. We're introducing a new character in the vlog series here, and it's one of my good buddies, Toby.
Really not. Chill, bro.
One of the first people I met in Georgia, bro.
Yeah, but you're effed up, bro.
I'm not chill. I don't even drink, dude.
You don't drink?
Anyways, we're out here. We just had a long night of fun, and don't worry about that.
You gonna take this?
Nah, I'm good, bro. You got it, bro. For the
It's
vlog.
like a quarter of a shot.
For the vlog. For the vlog.
For the vlog.
For the vlog.
I don't drink that though.
For the vlog. For the vlog, bro.
It's clear, bro.
Anyways, that's a good man. That's a good man. And that's a slumped man.
Put out these fires in my headspace, 'cause I'm wide awake. Why am I awake? The city sits below and we take shots at the moon. I wanna give it to you. I wanna give it to you. Tell me, is it so bad? 'Cause it hurts like that when I think about it. We're both cynics now, it kills me, but I'd die for you anyway. Yeah, you're so scared when it hurts, right? There's no way around it. In too deep now, and we'll never be the same. My love won't sleep, my little ghost Is it so bad cause it hurts like that when I think about it? We're both cynics now and it kills me, but I die for you anyway. Are you so sad cause it feels like that when you're not around me? And I'm singing loud cause I know that you're away. My love won't sleep, my little ghost queen, keep haunting me. Wearing my heart beneath those rolled up sleeves, when my eyes can't see. Tell me what my dreams cause me, when my love won't sleep, love won't sleep.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Today is New Year's Eve,
Roast day.
and I'm here with Toby. There's James, Ronald, Vinny, Asher, Daniel, and we're about to go pick up some tickets for this concert tonight. It's rated tonight.
And I'm all stoned, don't mean to compromise, but baby, I'm all alone. Yeah, I stay swollen in my lips, stung by love is all we know. Addicted to those crazy hips, and vodka that'll hit the floor. Yeah, the way she moves around the world, you could say I should have known why you do these things. Got me fucked up all alone and staring down the string. Got me racing to the phone and nervous while I think I should probably wait till morning. You got me so alone, alone. Yeah, I'm cool, so sexy, this how we move. I run but you never pass the time, saying baby don't go. Yeah, I'm fast, so sweet but I gotta last. You give it up when you see me down, this time I won't go. I've been stung, stung, nowhere to run, run. Your words are poison, they fill my lungs, lungs. I've been stung, stung, nowhere to run, run. Your words are poison, they fill my lungs, lungs. I thought we met for reasons years ago, this seemed like fate, but now I know you love my ups and downs, so surprised I stayed around. You used me for sure. Came to my senses, it sounds in my tone. No mutual feelings, they're all on your own. And why you do these things got me fucked up all alone and staring down the string. Got me racing to the phone and nervous while I think should probably wait till morning. You got me so alone, alone. You stung me, I'm hurting, I feel this for certain. We opened the show strong, now I'm closing curtains. We used to be standouts, I'm broken, my hands out. You know I always take the fall, but you're to blame here. You stung me, I'm hurting, I feel this for certain. We opened the show strong, now I'm closing curtains. We used to be standouts, I'm broken, my hands out. You know I always take the fall, but you're to blame here. Yeah, I'm cool, so sexy, this how we move. I run but you never pass the time, saying baby don't go. Yeah, I'm fast, so sweet but I gotta last. You give it up when you see me down, this time I won't go. I've been stung, stung, nowhere to run, run. Your words are poison, they fill my lungs, lungs. I've been stung, stung, nowhere to run, run. Your words are poison, they
smoke in my lungs, I'm dead and gone. I was alive, but the feeling has gone. Wish I could feel again. I'm on my own, just throwing stones into the water, but they don't know how to float. Wish I could breathe again. I was on the ground and the space don't feel the same. I was looking down and she said my luck had changed. What are you waiting for? She looks in my eyes, felt like the first time I saw a sunrise. Said what you waiting for? Just let the fire burn as the world turns. She said don't let go. I said you're running more. She's in my bones. It's in the air, it's in her stare. I try to touch it as I watch it disappear. Are you really here? 'Cause I don't know if I can go. Such a long time without seeing you again. Do you remember when I was on the ground and the space don't feel the same? I was looking down and she said my luck has changed. What are you waiting for? She looks in my eyes, felt like the first time I saw the sunrise. Said what you waiting for? Just let the fire burn as the world turns. She said don't let go. I said you're running more. She looks in my eyes, felt like the first time I saw the sunrise. Said what you waiting for? Just let the fire burn as the world turns. She said don't let go. I said you're running more. She's in my bones. I was living in the dark, couldn't feel my heartbeat. I was living in the dark till the light you gave me. I was looking down and she said my love